What if I told you, with just one username, I can find your YouTube, Reddit, GitHub, Blogger, even your real email and profile pics? Today, I'm showing you UserRecon, the free OSINT tool that hunts usernames across 75+ sites. And yes, we're installing it live, verifying it's safe, and hunting myself in under 2 minutes. No malware, no BS, just pure power. Let's go. Before we install any script, we verify it's clean. Here's how pros do it. Step 1. Go to the official GitHub. github.com/userrecon-project/userrecon. Step 2. I asked ChatGPT, does this script contain malware? Pasted the entire userrecon.ai, said, clean, no malicious code. Pro tip, always verify scripts before running. Never trust random downloads. Now let's install it live. Open your terminal and type git clone https://github.com/userrecon project, userrecon, git done, cd userrecon, hmod +x userrecon.sh. This gives execution permission. Now run it. //userrecon.sh. Enter target username ACW360. Press enter. BAM. Results in 8 seconds. youtube.com/ACW360, reddit.com/user/ACW360, github.com/ACW360, blogger.com/ACW360. Let's test 1. Copy. GitHub link, paste in browser. My real GitHub profile opens, repos, bio, email, everything public. This is OSINT in action. But here's the deal. This tool is powerful, but dangerous if misused. Use it to find old accounts, check your own digital footprint, teach kids about online privacy. Never use it to stalk, harass, share private information. Your username is your digital DNA. If it's the same everywhere, change it now. Want part 2? I'll show you how to find phone numbers, reveal emails, use Sherlock plus whole he plus what's my name. Drop part 2 in the comments. Like if you learned something. Subscribe and hit the bell. More OSINT drops weekly. Stay safe. Hunt smart. I'll see you in the terminal.